In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted meeting in Outlook. This is a quick, reliable way to reverse an accidental deletion right after it happens, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft.com. From the home page, look toward the top for the All Microsoft menu. Click that to open the full list of Microsoft apps and services. Find Outlook in the list and click it. This takes you to Outlook on the web. Now click sign in and sign into your account so you can access your mailbox and calendar. Once you're signed in, click calendar. You should now see your schedule, events, and meetings. Before we do anything else, here's an important reminder. When you delete a meeting in Outlook, you need to act fast if you want to undo it. Outlook gives you a short window to reverse the action with a built-in undo option, but that option is time sensitive. Keep your eye on the screen after any deletion. Let's walk through a quick example. Imagine you accidentally delete a meeting from your calendar. Maybe you clicked the wrong event, or you removed it without realizing. Right after the deletion, Outlook will display a small prompt on the screen. Depending on your view, it may appear near the bottom or top of the window. That prompt includes an option to undo the deletion you just performed. As soon as you see that prompt, click the undo button. Clicking undo immediately restores the meeting to your calendar, putting it back right where it was before you deleted it. If you stay on the calendar page and respond promptly, this works within a couple of seconds and saves you from having to recreate the meeting or track down the details again. A few tips to make this go smoothly. Keep the calendar window in focus after a deletion so you don't miss the prompt, and avoid navigating away or refreshing the page until you've decided whether you need to undo. The undo banner is designed for quick recovery, so the faster you click it, the better. That's all you need to do. Go to Microsoft.com, open Outlook, sign in, head to calendar, and if you accidentally delete a meeting, use the prompt that appears to undo the deletion. It's simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.